Hi there, welcome to the Mobility Shop Live. I'm Justin Fox. I'm here at the Mobility Shop, and today I'd like to we are currently celebrating our third anniversary, and I'd like to offer everyone a free cane in appreciation of your support over the years, and obviously continue to support going forward. So I'd like to offer you a free cane, and the reason why, I guess, is I give you the little image here there. So offering a free cane, they come in a range of different colors. So basically, let us know where you want us to ship it. We'll get you a free cane. So there's your free cane. The reason why that we're offering a free cane, and we obviously here at the Mobility Shop, we work with or have worked with thousands of clients, customers, patients over the years, family members, family caregivers. We understand that a cane is sort of the first step in essentially maintaining your freedom, maintaining your independence, maintaining your mobility, or regaining in the case of maybe rehabbing in different areas of whether it's through orthopedic surgery, hips, knees surgeries. So a cane is definitely the first step in the mobility, maintaining your mobility. So which obviously enables the people that we work with to maintain relationships, to maintain their health, wellness, and well-being, to get out and enjoy themselves, and to get out with family and friends. So basically, we are offering you a free cane. Just let us know where to ship it to. If you can fill out the form there, let us know where to ship it. Ships Canada wide. So click the button there, fill out your information, let us know where to ship it to, and we will get that cane to you, and as appreciation from us to you. And here's to many more years here at the Mobility Shop. So once again, thank you very much. Click the button or fill out your information to the side there. Let us know where to ship the cane, and we will see you again. Have yourselves a great day.